What's going on, guys? Customer out here in Ann Arbor, Michigan is complaining about some water leaking in the basement. The house is for sale, so we're gonna take a look and see what's going on. So I already started. There was quite a bit of water, still damp on the floor. All right, so it's between these two windows. They're already complaining about that there's some water down on the floor, which I kind of noticed a little bit right over here. Definitely a lot over there, and then a little bit over on this side too. Now they were saying that this one was primarily the one, so I went ahead and cut open a hole, and lo and behold, I think that was definitely leaking. You can also tell on the insulation here, it's still wet too. All right, so as you guys already know, we're gonna get some caulk in there. I like to do one shot. That's the first step. And then we put a couple plugs or corks. I use 5 to be exact. These are a little oversized. Now I made this bar a while ago. This is the depth that I like to go into with the first cork. So I'll do 2. Man, you can really smell it too. And I'll do another shot of caulk. Actually 2. And now that guy's done. And we'll get the rest of them in there. One more. All right, awesome. Now I'm going to clean off the surface of the cement. All right, now we'll take a wire brush. Clean that. All right, that's good to go. All right, we're gonna mix a little hydraulic cement. So, a little bit of hydraulic cement in there. Just a little bit of water. Not a whole lot. All right, so you want it to be a little bit runny. Let's see here. There you go. I'm used to doing multiple ones at a time, so I definitely did overkill on this one, but I just want to plug up the surface here. Make it nice and smooth. And we are good to go. That's it, we're done.